Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're going to open up a mystery box. Actually, we're going to open up two mystery boxes because I ordered two of the Juvia's Place Halloween mystery boxes. They are still available on the Juvia's Place site, at least as of the time I'm filming this video, and they're priced at only $16 a piece, which seems like it could be a very amazing deal because according to the information on the Juvia's Place site, these are supposed to have a $58 value. So according to the info on the site, it says the Halloween mystery box includes 2 eye makeup products, 1 face makeup product, and 1 lip makeup product. And I am completely blind reacting to this. I am literally cutting this box open as we speak, so I have no idea what's in here. But I do know that if I end up with any repeat products of any kind, I want to do a little giveaway for you guys too, so that's why I ordered 2 of them. Hopefully this box is really good. Okay, so these aren't separated out into any special little container. There's no actual box or bag or anything that's just dedicated to this little mystery bundle. So just from first glance, it looks like there are 2 of every single product in here. At least as far as my mystery boxes go, doesn't look like there's any variation here. The very first thing that I pulled out here is the Heroin Glow 2. I think this is one of their loose powder highlighters, so this must be the face makeup product. Oh, it's not a loose powder, it's a pressed powder. Ooh, that is super pretty. Look at the marbling on there. Wow. That's gorgeous. This shade looks kind of in between a blush and a highlighter for me. I'm already wearing a little blush and bronzer, but I'm going to sort of put this on top as a blush topper. Wow, this is pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh yeah. It's giving me a little extra sheen on the cheek, which I always appreciate. And I do not have this product at all, so not mad at it. Beautiful. Ooh, I really like this. This is the best thing about mystery boxes. I probably never would have picked this up on my own accord, but I can already see myself really, really enjoying this product. I just have 2 of everything. So just so you know, I will give away the exact items that I'm unboxing here. Okay, so this is our lip product, and this makes perfect sense within the context of a Halloween mystery box because this is a black liquid lipstick. Again, I do not own this. This is not something that I would typically purchase for myself. Not gonna try this one on, but again, I have 2 of these, so one will remain untouched and go into my little giveaway pile. It looks like this particular shade is on sale already on the Juvia's Place website. This is one of those cases where they're kind of trying to clear out some stock of something, but I don't really mind it. It is a Halloween mystery box, so the idea of a black lipstick in here really does make sense. Do I love it? It won't be a staple, but I'm not mad at it. Alright, now we're getting into the eye products. We have a pencil liner. This is the bright blue one. It's the shade Royal. This is another item that's marked down on the site. So originally these were $12. Now they're marked down to $6. And in my case, even less because I got them in a bundle. I'm not a huge eyeliner girl, so I'm not going to swatch either one of these. I'm just going to keep these intact and keep them to give away. But hey, you know, a lot of people love a royal blue liner, so here you go. Voila. The very last eye product is a palette. I'm super excited. I hope I don't already have this palette. Oh yay! So the palette is not one that I already have in my collection. It's the Festival palette. I am so excited to open this up. Wow, the cover art is just beautiful. I love the drawings on their palette. I know this is like a classic palette too, and I never got it, so now I have it. This looks very, very nice. At first glance, it seems a little bit intimidating to me, but I love a mustard yellow. I really, really like this corally. I think it's just the black and blue that are throwing me off. Otherwise, this is a very, very comfortable color scheme for me. I love that this is a shimmery black instead of a matte black. I just have a million matte black shadows in my palette. This is like the perfect balance between enough out of my comfort zone to be interesting, but I can definitely see myself having a lot of fun with this palette. Ugh, I love mustard yellows. Let me just swatch this mustard yellow and this little gold color. I could see a really cute two shadow look with these. Just that mustardy color all over the crease and kind of blown out, and then the gold color all over the lid. Really simple two shadow look. I think that would be such a pretty little autumnal color scheme. All the products are new to me. That doesn't happen to me often. Typically when I buy a mystery box, I have a decent chunk of those products already in my collection. So I'm really excited to have all new products in here. The cheek product and the palette are both things I can easily see myself getting a lot of use out of. The black lipstick and the eyeliner, probably not so much my speed, but I'm not mad at that because this is a Halloween box, you know, it's supposed to be a little bit more fun, a little bit more kooky than the average. So I think overall it's a well curated box. Okay, let's tally up the value because the palette is $20, the eyeliner is $6, the liquid lipstick is on sale for $10.60, and the glow cheek product is $16. So it's just a little smidge under the value. I think they went with the full retail value when they were advertising this as being worth $58. Technically, you could buy all these things on the site for $52.60, but I'm not mad at it. I do think they took just a few liberties with the value, but overall still a great value, even factoring in the sale prices of these items. I still ended up with over $52 worth of product for only 16 bucks. That's a steal. That is a crazy good steal. And the two most expensive products are the two things that I'm most excited for. So I feel like I got a great deal. And you know what the best part is? One of you's gonna get a great deal too, because you're gonna get one of these mystery boxes for free. It's not really a mystery anymore because you just saw me open it up, but it is a mystery who will win, so go check the description box for all of the details. There will be a little link down there for you to enter to fill out a form. That form is completely private. Nobody else has access to that information but me, and you being safe, secure, happy, and healthy is my utmost priority, so I promise I will never give anybody that information. Just go check out the description box for more info on the rules, how long this is gonna last, the end date, and how to enter and all that stuff. And then I'll be emailing one of you soon and sending you one of these mystery boxes. Yay! Happy Halloween! I had a lot of fun opening this. I hope you had a lot of fun watching me open it. I would love to hear what you think about all the items in this mystery box. What are your favorite Juvia's Place products? I always love to hear what you think about things too. So make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my. Oh wow, excuse me. Why am I doing this motion as if a word will follow? Huh? That didn't make sense. So happy. So happy to see it. If I could get it open, that would be helpful for the sake of the video. At least a decent Ma'am. Pull it together. Have you noticed? It's kind of difficult to make me mad at it. It takes a lot. Huh? That didn't make sense. No tricks, all treats. Was it weird? Did I make it weird? I do that. Just gonna keep my hands to myself. Oh boy. Battery, memory card, and my brain all crapping out simultaneously. What luck! Anyway, I just came to tell you I love your face, and I will talk to you soon, and I think you're so cute. Okay, bye!